So what is counseling? Jane.
Counseling is a supportive relationship that helps navigate individuals and challenges.
Very good, Jane. I will give you an activity and group yourself into 3. Uy, ikaw na din lang ito lang. Lai? Lai? Mera? Tara, need to come with me. We need to go to the counselor. Hi ma'am, I have a concern to my student.
Okay, sir. Call your student.
Ma'am, my student is here.
You look very upset. What happened? You can share anything to me. I will not judge you.
I feel upset and angry because my classmates did not include me in our group project.
I'm sorry you felt that way. Being left out can really hurt.
Yes, it made me feel sad and unimportant.
Your feelings are valid. You did the right thing by speaking up. We can think of ways to talk to your classmates or ask help from your teacher.
Thank you, ma'am. I feel better now.
You're welcome. Remember, you matter and you deserve to be included.
Good day everyone. Welcome to our group counseling session and I'm happy to see you all today. This is a safe place where we can share our thoughts and feelings without fear and judgment. Everything we talk about here will be kept confidential. Are we all comfortable?
Yes, Counselor.
Before we begin, let us set our rules first. Please listen when someone is speaking. Respect each other's opinions and speak honestly. Do you all agree?
Yes, Counselor.
Let us start by introducing ourselves. Please say your name and how you feel today.
I am Mark. I feel nervous.
I am Hannah. I feel tired.
I am Anna. I feel shy.
I am Malia. I feel stressed.
I am Isaiah. I feel anxious.
I am Winnie. I feel confused. I am Rhea and I feel pressured. I am Trellen. I feel hopeful.
Thank you for sharing. It is okay to feel this emotion.
I feel stressed because of schoolwork and deadlines.
Thank you for sharing. Does anyone feel the same way?
Yes, Counselor. I also felt overwhelmed with my task.
Yes, I also get stressed because I'm afraid of failing.
Those are healthy ways to manage stress. Remember, taking care of yourself is important. Stress does not mean weakness. It means you care about what you're doing. When stress feels heavy, try to pause and relax. And ask for help. You are not alone.
Listening to everyone makes me feel better.
This is the power of group counseling. We learn from each other. Before we end, what is one thing you learned today?
I learned that my feelings are valid.
I learned that sharing helps.
I learned new ways to manage stress.
I am proud of all of you for participating today. Thank you for your honesty and respect. Our session will end here. See you in our next meeting.
Thank you, Counselor.
And there's a place that I've dreamed of, where I can free my mind. I hear the sounds of the season and lose all sense of time.
I have something to tell you, sweetheart.
Why, Mama? What happened?
I'm leaving to work abroad so we can have a better future. We can always
No, Mama, please don't leave me.
It's our future, sweetheart.
Okay, Mama, please come.
Darling, you should go. Really, why are you slow? Can you anything right?
I'm trying, Papa. Please don't be mad.
You're always the problem, Lily.
Really, ko kape.
Daray mo kape pa. Pasuri pa.
Okay, pulos bata. Okay, pulos bata.
Danagan ang pataoy. Kung napas mama diri, dugay na rin nasaban.
Wakan to na ako sa'yo, ah.
Super pagod ka.
Wait, bakit mo?
Good morning, Counselor.
Good morning, ma'am. May buntag, ma'am. Kung saan may tuloy na ito karon?
May buntag, Counselor. Kanang nara ko'y friend ba, na ko'y concern niya. Kanang every time mo visit dud ko sa ilang house kay makita na ko siya daghang pasa. But dili siya mo open up na kung unsay problema. So bantog mangay ko na mag-recommendation ug unsay need niya. Unsay iyang mga assessment para buhaton.
So, pila may edad aning bata? Unsay kabalo ka kung sa iyang mga problema or yung mga kuan sa iyang life nga may nakabago sa iya?
Sa iyang age, counselor, kay 16 siya, going 17 this year. And sa iyang family background, akong nahibawaan, iyang mother nag-work abroad. Then, iyang kuyog sa ilang house is iyang stepfather o stepsister. Mauro akong nahibawaan, but sa iyang problema, wala siya kabalo kay di man siya mo open up, hilumon siya ng person ba.
So, pwede ba natong ma-meet ning bataa karon dayon?
Pwede kay counselor, ako nandun sa ilang balay.
Okay.
Para maka-counsel siya nimo yung mapagas yung problema para mag-ana to basis.
Balipod laman, ma'am.
Oh, sige, counselor, wala problema. Thank you kayo, counselor. Salamat. Good morning, counselor.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, counselor. Sumaon na yung bata, counselor, nga akong ipa-assisting. Friend, lingkod sa friend. Magbuhat ako sa gawas.
Kumusta man kaning? Pwede ba na ako babala ni mga ngalan?
Ako si Lily niya. Karong mga panahon na medyo di jud ko okay.
So, before ta magsugod, kayong tanagin ato pang tugutan is confidential ra jud kaayo. Walay na imahibalo gawas tumuha. Unless kung buhat ka risk sa imong kaugalingon. Ayag kaulaw ning, istorya ra jud siya kung sa imong gibate. Yari man ta diri kay aron matabangan ti ka. Para matabangan ka sa imong mga trauma or mga depression nimo, anxiety. Ayaw ra jud kaulaw ning. Unsa man jud na hitabo sa imong kinabuhi? Ano ba kay problema sa imong balay, sa imong kaugalingon? Isulti lang.
Kuan man good counselor, naka-experience ko og bullying. Then ang pinakasakit nga part pa jud is ang pamilya mismo nako ang nagbuhat. Then aside sa bullying, dili rasad ka na ilang gibuhat, which is ilasab kong gidapatan like sumbang, sampal o dakan.
So, karon, gusto ko ba ka magkuyog dito or dili na? So, karon kay di na magkaganahan sa inyo, asa ba imong plano? Asa ka magkuyog?
Sa akong friend,
Kinsa man nga friend nimo?
Katong nagdala na ko diri.
So karon kay ganahan naman ka mo kuya dito. Kinsa man na yung mga kauban dito sa balay, kay basit ang posibilidad kung mabuli na sad kag utro.
Wa man siya kauban sa ila, siya naman isa nagpuyo.
Pinadaday mo ka years nga friend ani niya tawhan.
Since childhood kami nagkaila, then friend gihapon mi until now.
Kasaligan na ba ning tawhan na? Feel nimo okay ra ka dito sa ilaa?
Feel na ko safe pa jud kay ko dito.
So karon base sa mga pang istorya nga kaya ganahan na ka dito puyo, nga feel mo safe na ka dito nga maoki na ang mental health, kaya dili na ka abusaran dito. So okay na to siya. So karon mag-follow up na lang tag kana more session para sa imuha.
Thank you kay counselor kay napagawas na ko ang akong mga gibati ug akong problema ug nalamdagan ko sa akong sitwasyon karon.
Salamat po kaayo ni